Have you ever felt stuck because of bad credit, denied for a loan, a credit card, even an apartment just because of a number on a screen? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle with bad credit every single day. But what if you could take control of your credit score without paying thousands to credit report companies? That's exactly why I created this course, Do-It-Yourself Credit Repair Kit, Restore, Rebuild, and Maximize Your Credit Score. In this step-by-step course, you're going to learn how to access and analyze your credit reports, dispute and remove inaccurate negative items, boost your credit score using proven strategies, build positive credit history with the right tools, leverage good credit for loans, home ownership, business funding, and much more. You'll also get downloadable templates for dispute letters, obviously, goodwill requests, credit building checklist, and a 30-day action plan to follow even if you're starting from scratch. And the best part of all, you can take this course completely risk-free with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't see the value, you get your money back, no questions asked. Enroll now and take control of your credit future. So if you're ready to stop struggling with bad credit and finally start building the financial future you deserve, click below and start now. I'll see you inside the course. Click enroll now and let's get started today.